Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the orthographic views from the isometric view. And the isometric view given with an angle of plates and in which holes are there and slots are there. So let's select this diagram and we'll go for the AutoCAD directly. And here I'll create my base for the diagram. And this is the procedure is normal is there. Now here again I'll just draw a reference line and x axis and y axis reference line I'll draw. And now let's see, here actually there is no arrow mark is given, so let's assume that this is the front view side. Okay, let's assume this side is the arrow mark given in this side. That means this is the front view. So your right side view need to be projected on the left side, and so that side view need to be drawn here. And I'll just keep the diagram here. Okay, no issue. I'll just keep it the main diagram isometric view here, so that we can get the dimension from this, and we can draw the front view and top view and side view from that. So now we'll go to this diagram. Now you'll see, if the observer is is standing here and observing this view, so we can what are the portions we can see from this front view. So you can see a L shape of this. So you can see it's very simple actually. You can clearly see that this L shape is visible from the front view. Okay, this L shape only visible from the front view. Nothing other thing will be not there. Nothing will be there. So directly we can draw this. Okay, dimension we'll see what are dimensions required for this. Okay, and here we can see only L shape will be visible here, but what about this hole? This hole is not visible from the front view. So for that actually we need to in this. So here actually there is two dotted line, one dotted this dash line, one dash line need to be given in this. Okay, so that will be total here front view. Similarly, the top view, what are the top portion top view will be there. Now top view, if you see this small rectangular box which is connected along with this portion. This portion is visible from the top side, this total. Okay, and along with this cut portion is there. This whole will be clearly visible from the top side. Okay, so now there will be a question in the mind. Here one box is there, again one more box is there. So how it is connected? Actually, when you draw the isometric view, that time actually what we are considering, one thing we are considering length, another one is height, another one is width. Based on this length, height and width, actually we need to draw a rectangular box. Rectangular box, you can say like this. Okay, this is the length, and sorry, this is the width is there, and this is the length again this is the height. So the height is 45, this height is given 45 and height is 45 here. So this kind of box need to be drawn. So in the top, if you see this, actually it is connected, this side and this one small rectangle, these both are connected. So how it need to be drawn? It should be connected up to here, and in middle we need to draw a small box. Okay, so similarly again, if you see the object from the side view, so we can see this small rectangular box along with this. Okay, so these things can be visible from the side view, though this hole is not visible from the side view. So again we need to draw two lines, two dash lines need to be drawn. So this is all about the front view, top view and side view. So let's draw in the AutoCAD. Okay, select the line, and here the distance is how much here? Let's see, 65 length. So I will take a 65, height is here 15, and again it will become back this side 50. Again height we need to go for 30, again this side 15, down 45. Okay, so that we can complete the front view L shape as I told you, and from this we just draw some horizontal projector lines from each of the corner point. Similarly, some vertical projectors lines need to be drawn. Okay, so each of the joint point, each of the junction point, we just can draw some that one vertical projector lines, and this horizontal projector lines can be drawn from each of the corner point. Okay, now what about the top view? So top view already you have seen. So this is about the front view. What we can we can highlight this, we can give some color, we just can change the thickness of this, and yeah, so let's leave it. Now we'll go for the top view. So top view, let's select any one line here, and just because top view, this is the length 65, again width is how much? Width is 40, so 40, again this will be 65, again you just draw it up to here. Okay, and this need to be also joined up to here, because in the top, if you see, yeah, now you can see. Now if you see the top view, so this is the portion we can see from the top. Along with that, one small hole is there, so that hole need to be drawn here actually. So that hole, what is the distance is there? 30 by 20 with a gap of 10. So here it is 10, so it is 10 there, and just this side 10 mm, again then there is a gap of again 10 will be there, 10. Now this side is 30, again this side 20, again it will be 30, again just 20 will be there. So this is the hole is there. Now here again we just need to draw a line from here to here, because that the hole which is there in this object cannot be visible from the front view, so that need to drawn as a dash line. Okay, these two lines we can draw as a dash line. I just can change this color also. Okay, we'll draw the dash line later. Now presently you can see this is the view is there, and so one more line will be there also. So this one, keep it here, and one more line we can just from here to here we can draw. Anyway, so this is the top view is there, and just change the color of this and increase the thickness of that. Okay, now the next thing is what we need to draw. We need to draw the side view. So as usual, regular method is there. Just draw from each of the junction point, just to draw some horizontal projector lines, and draw a line of here, this one, and just rotate this line with an angle of how much? 45 degree, so that will get the joining point of this. Now the extra part we can just trim it here. Okay, and from here again just we need to draw the vertical projector line support from each of the point, so that will get the side view easily. It will just up to here, because these are the total lines are there. Now extra lines we can just trim it here, and here also the extra line which is inside the diagram, you just can trim it, not required here inside the diagram. So mostly we have completed. Now similarly here, okay, side view is not selected because we have not selected that line, and just we can do one thing. We'll just start in from here, side view, again side view, one more line will be here, and here these two lines are dashed line, which is not visible from the side view. That whole will be not visible from the side view, that's why it needs to be given dashed line. Okay, and here increase the thickness of that. Now you can see, yeah, everything changed, we have done. Now we need to select the dashed line, go for the other, load it, and go for the dashed, yeah, select it, okay it. Now select this line, and this line, and go for the dashed line. And if you want to increase the thickness, you just can increase, you can increase. I hope you can see. Now if you see again the front view, L shape is there, there is no line connection is there, and this one is not visible from the front view, that's why you given the dashed line. Yeah, and similarly if you come to the top view, this small rectangular box, yeah, and another one rectangular box is there along with this hole, and in the side view this small rectangular box, again one small rectangular box along with this two dot dash line, which is not visible from the side view. So now the time is, we need to give the dimension of the each. Okay, so length, and this is our height, and the width we can keep it here, or we just keep it in this, here also we can keep it. Now similarly other dimensions need to be given, you can keep it here. And what are the required dimensions, just can already given here, 15, and this and from here to here the gap also you can keep it, and from here to here the gap also you can keep it here, and any other thing is there we can just mark it. Okay, yeah, mostly I have pointed out what are the dimensions required from this, but the procedure to draw this isometric projections to orthographic project views, you can draw in this way. So again just we can mark it, the text, select the single line text, and just go for some 5 and angle 0, and just you can mark it, the you just can write it in capital. It will go for front view, and this is our right side view, RSV, or you can write fully right side view, and this is our just top view. Okay, so I hope you understood how to draw it. Again I'll show you, this is the right side view. Okay, this is the right side view, which projection will become on the left side of the, this is the front view is there, and the right side view projection will become in this side. So the same thing what we have drawn here. So I hope you understood how to draw this orthographic views from the isometric view. If you are having any kind of query and doubts, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.